Hi, got an unboxing here. It's chucking it down, and I think I bought this on Wednesday and it arrived yesterday, so let's get it open really. So I've been doing a lot of videos because it's coming up to my 50th anniversary on YouTube. I'm just uploading a video now. Hopefully I'll have about 15 videos all premiering on that day, which is the 11th of July. And yeah, it'd be pretty cool, I think. So yeah, so this arrived yesterday. I'm opening it now. Hopefully it's fine. Oh my gosh. It's chucking it down, as you can hear. Really heavy rain. Done a good job with this, packing it. I'm not sure I'll be able to open. Let's see if I can do it. Done a good job packing it. Cool. It's one of those, you know, you go on eBay and sometimes you see something and you think if it doesn't go too high I might have a go on it. So yeah, it was one of those on the spur of the moment purchases. Cool, it's really chucking it down today. So there we are. So it's something graded. Cool. It doesn't want to come out this. So here we are. So it's something modern, Star Wars. So it's a Obi-Wan Kenobi. From 1999, loose graded 90. I've probably got this figure on card somewhere stashed away, because this one's, I mean, you could probably buy the figure on card now for £5, if not £4.99, £4 or something, but I decided to have a go and buy it. So it's probably my first loose graded modern figure. Obviously I buy a lot of vintage figures loose graded, but this is probably the first modern loose graded figure I've ever bought. See the contact chip, lightsaber, the figure. There's another Obi-Wan from the same line that comes with that walkie-talkie thing as well, and I think the hair is a piece of thread, or you know, whereas this is clearly plastic. Star Wars Episode 1 Obi-Wan Kenobi 1999, Lucasfilm Limited, Hasbro China, figure 90, paint 90. The thunder. Cool. So I think I've got in the book, that German book that everyone tends to have, the 2005 edition. I think I can show you the picture of that Obi-Wan Kenobi figure. So there he is. And loose, or on card, is Obi-Wan Kenobi Jedi Duel, £5. So that's that figure there. The one I was worried it might have been, but because this one didn't have the Comtech, let me see if I can find it. There's the Obi-Wan with the robe. This one. So it's obviously this one. So the first episode 1 Obi-Wan Kenobi, and it would have come on. Let's see if we can just find the card. Must be on the next page. And this book's really useful for carded figures, modern stuff, and it's got quite a good vintage section. There he is. So that's the card he would have come on. Those 3 cards there. US, European, and European with Battle Droid. So I've probably got, out of these 3, I've probably got that one. Obi-Wan Kenobi. I mean, this year's just been the 25th anniversary of episode 1, so I bought a great bundle last week, unboxed it, of episode 1 bits and bobs, so you know, maybe it's the flavour of the year. Quite a simple figure by today's standards. Cut elbows, lightsaber. But the gimmick in those days was the Comtech or Comtalk chip, which looks nice where it's displayed like that. Pretty cool figure. Figure from behind. Obi-Wan Kenobi. I don't think they used the real voices on the Comtalk chips, they used simulated voices. But nice, you can see the hologram there. Looks great. So that's my latest pickup. That's Obi-Wan Kenobi from 1999, graded UKG 90 loose. When I was on eBay it was about 16 quid, so I thought I'll put up to 25 on it, and it came to about 21, and then you had to put about another £4 or £5 on postage and packaging as well, so not bad though. But I mean, to pick up this figure on a card, you're just going to pay £5 at the most. Very nice. Okay, so that's what I just bought, and this is what just arrived today. I mean yesterday. Anyway, I might release this as part of my 15 videos on the 11th, or I might release this today. We'll see. Anyway, cheers, goodbye.